Hey, welcome to Shop Smart. If you're here, you're probably looking for an honest review of the SenCre BXZ002 Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with handle. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button right now. I bring you complete and sincere reviews like this every week, helping you save time and money on your purchases. Oh, and the product link is in the description below with my affiliate link. Let's get into it. Today, we're talking about the SenCre BXZ002 Nugget Ice Maker, a portable nugget ice machine that promises soft, chewable ice ready in just 5 minutes. But is it good? Is it worth it? In this 2025 review, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to decide if this is the right product for you. And just to be clear, I'm not paid by SenCre or any brand. This is a sincere and complete review based on detailed research and the product's real specifications. I do earn a small commission as an affiliate if you buy through my link, but that doesn't change my opinion. The focus here is helping you make the best decision, no fluff. Imagine this, you're in the middle of a house party or just chilling on the couch after a long day, and suddenly you realize the freezer ice is all gone. Or worse, what's left are those hard, bland cubes that melt fast and don't give that satisfying crunch in your drinks. That's the pain so many people face, the frustration of relying on a slow freezer that produces flavorless or textureless ice, and it never seems enough for big families or social gatherings. Now, flip that around. Having endless access to soft, crunchy, chewable nugget ice ready on demand, turning every sip of iced coffee, smoothie, or cocktail into a pleasurable, refreshing experience. That's exactly what the SenCre BX002 aims to solve, bringing the joy of premium sonic ice to your everyday life without the hassle of complicated machines. Let's start with the basics. What is this Nugget Ice Maker? It's a countertop portable machine with a convenient handle for easy transport, designed specifically to produce soft sonic ice, that kind of ice that's crunchy on the outside yet soft inside, perfect for chewing like a cool snack or elevating your favorite drinks like iced coffees, smoothies, and cocktails. Unlike traditional freezer cubes that can be rock hard and dilute your beverages quickly, this nugget ice absorbs flavors better and holds its crunch longer, creating a fresh sensation that's addictive. It doesn't require complicated installation. Just plug it into a 130-watt outlet, which is super energy efficient without spiking your electricity bill, and fill it with water. It comes with essential accessories like an ice basket and scoop, making the whole process practical and hygienic from the first use. In terms of performance, the SenCre BX002 really shines by easing that pain of waiting hours for ice. It produces the first batch in just 5 minutes and keeps churning out up to 40 pounds of ice per day. That's about 18 kilograms. Plenty to supply large families, lively parties, busy offices, or daily home use without interruptions. Picture the pleasure of never running out of ice during a weekend barbecue or a movie marathon with friends. The ice comes out soft, crunchy, and with a neutral taste that doesn't alter your drinks. The operation is quiet, which is a huge relief compared to noisy machines that disrupt conversations or downtime. You can let it run in the kitchen or living room without noticing the sound, creating a more enjoyable, stress-free environment. Speaking of design, it's compact and built for real life. It measures 11.26 inches in depth, 8.5 in width, and 12.68 inches in height, weighing about 7.9 kilograms. That means it fits perfectly on your kitchen counter, office desk, or even a party nook without taking up precious space. The handle makes it easy to carry wherever you need, like for camping or short trips, and there's a transparent window to monitor the process without opening it. The pleasure here is in the convenience. It's not just an appliance, it's a solution that fits into your lifestyle, making simple moments like mixing a drink feel more special and effortless. One of the standout features that deepens the practicality is the 10-minute auto-cleaning function. Just press a button and the machine handles everything itself, flushing out residues and keeping the interior hygienic for ongoing use. This solves the common pain of tedious manual cleaning that people often skip, which can compromise ice quality. With this, you get the pleasure of a product that's always ready, without worries about mold or impurities. Especially handy for families with kids or anyone who prioritizes hygiene in their routine. Now, what can you really expect from this product? Based on the specs and initial reviews, which are an impressive 5.0 stars from 24 ratings on Amazon, it seems like a solid option for anyone who loves nugget ice but doesn't want to splurge on premium brand models. Customers rave about the perfect chewable ice, the quick speed, 5 to 8 minutes per batch, the quietness, the compact size that fits any kitchen, the ease of use and cleaning, and its versatility for home, office, or camping. It's praised for turning ordinary drinks into something premium with crunchy ice that lasts longer and adds a fun twist. The current price is around USD $189.99 with a significant 53% discount off the typical $399, making it accessible for a nugget ice maker with these features. It's great for home, kitchen, office, parties, and large families as promised, delivering the pleasure of endless, high-quality ice without complications. However, to keep it honest, not everything is perfect, and it's important to weigh this for an informed decision. As a portable model, don't expect the durability or capacity of an industrial machine. It's ideal for residential or moderate use, but if you need extreme volumes of ice every day, you might want to look at more robust options. Also, while the reviews are unanimously positive with no negatives reported, remember it's a newer product, and long-term issues like maintenance or wear could pop up. If you use ice daily in large amounts, this could be a game changer, relieving the pain of buying bagged ice. But for occasional use, evaluate if the investment is worth it for something so specific, or if your current freezer already suffices. Is it good? Yes, based on the specs and feedback, it seems good for what it sets out to do. Fast, portable, easy to use, and capable of delivering crunchy ice that elevates your drinks and cold snacks experience. Is it worth it? It depends on your lifestyle. If you love iced beverages and want the pleasure of soft sonic ice at home without hassle, it's worth considering, especially at this affordable price. But if you already have a freezer that meets your needs, it might not be essential. Think about how much that extra convenience would bring joy to your daily routine. Hey, if this info has helped you so far, give the video a like. It motivates me to bring more reviews like this. And subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. To sum up this review, the SenCre BXZ002 is a nugget ice maker countertop with handle, ready in 5 minutes with 40 pounds per day of soft sonic ice, auto cleaning, and portable for home, kitchen, office, party, and families. It's an honest choice for anyone seeking convenience without the frills, solving the pain of insufficient or boring ice, and delivering the pleasure of endless crunch and refreshment. If you decide to buy, the link is in the description, and honestly, that would help my work here on YouTube a ton, supporting more content like this to help people like you. Thanks for watching all the way through. Drop a comment if you have questions or have used something similar. See you next time on Shop Smart.